Okay, children?
In today's class, we learn about addition. Okay, we learn about addition from the subject mathematics. First, addition is one of the basic four arithmetic operations. What is addition, children? Is one of the basic four arithmetic operations. By arithmetic, they mean mathematical. And what are the four mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, addition is one of the basic four arithmetic operations. The combination of two or more counted objects is represented by a single notation is called addition. What are they saying? What is addition? The combination of two or more counted objects. Like when I say I have two pencils, and then I have three pencils. I have two pencils and my friend has three pencils. How many pencils do we have together? We combine these two objects. 2 plus 3 is 5. We have 5 pencils, right, children? So the combination of objects, counted objects, is called as addition. And what is the symbol used? Yes, the symbol for the notation of addition is this plus here. Peter has 5 flowers and Peter has 4 flowers and John has 5 flowers. Then both have the same example, right? Then both have how many? 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9 flowers. Therefore, the addition of two different units cannot be expressed in a single unit. See, we are using two different units and expressing it. Using what? Using addition. Addition is the combination of two or more counted objects. Addends and sum. Resulting sum of two or more numbers is called the addition of numbers, and the numbers those are in addition are called addends. Okay, children, this is not anything difficult. What they are saying here is when we add two numbers, the result is called as sum. What is it called as, children? Sum. Sum means nothing but the addition of two or more numbers, and these numbers which we have used become the addends. Become addends. When we add two or more addends, the result is called as the sum. The numbers 456 and 567 are addends. See, these two numbers are addends, and resulting number 1023 is their sum. This number here we got this number 1023. How, children? By adding. So this is called as the sum, and those two numbers which we have added are called as addends. The process of addition of numbers always starts from 1. The process of addition of the numbers always starts from the ones. Like when suppose if I have two numbers here, let me take these two numbers only, 456 and 567. How will we start adding, children? From which side? From the right side, which is nothing but from the ones place, right? So this is what they are saying. The process of addition always starts from ones. Some words that denote addition are in all, total, sum, and all together. Now you will be having certain word problems, right? So in those word problems, if it is asked in the question, find the flowers in all, or find the total flowers, or find the sum of the flowers, or find the number of flowers present all together. Like when these words are used, in all, total, sum, or all together, it means that we have to perform addition here. We have to add the given numbers. Clear, children? Okay, moving on. Different ways of addition. Okay, addition can be done in different ways. Counting in tens. Like in this, here we have two numbers, 55 and 23, right? 55 and 23. What we are doing here is we have split 23 into 10 plus 10 plus 3. What did we do? We split 20 into tens. 10 we are having 2 in tens place, right? It means we have 2 tens. 10 plus 10 becomes 20, and then we have 3, right children? Why did we split up means it becomes easier to add in tens. It becomes easy. It is easy to add in tens. When I say 55 plus 10, we know that 55 plus 10 becomes 65, and another 10, when another 10 is added to it, it becomes 75, right? 55 plus 10 becomes 75. Then we have 3, which is equals to 78. 75 plus 3 is equals to 78. Understood children? We split up 23 into tens. 10 plus 10 plus 3. 55 plus 10 gives us 65. Again 65 plus 10 gives us 75. Then we have 3. 75 plus 3, we got 78. To make addition, it is important to regroup the numbers. For example, 421 plus 379. Now this was one way, right? What did we do? We counted in tens. Now here we are regrouping the numbers. How? For example, we have these two numbers 421 and 379. Okay children? And how do we start adding? We start adding from the ones place. So we have 1 and 9 in ones place. We are adding them. Add the ones. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 becomes what children? 1 plus 9 becomes 10, right? We have 10. Now next moving on to the tens. After ones we have tens. 2 and 7. These are 2 tens and 7 tens. So the value will be 20 and 70. We are talking about place values here children. 20 and 70. And here we also got one 10, right? When we added both the ones, we got a 10. So we'll add that 10 as well. We have two 20 and 70 in the question, and we got another 10 by adding the ones. So 20 plus 70 plus 10 is equals to 100. 20 plus 70 plus 10. We all have zeros here. So 0. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 20 plus 70 plus 10 becomes 100. Moving on. After tens, what do we have? We have hundreds. After tens, we have hundreds. Right children? We have 4 in hundreds place. So its place value becomes 400. And then we have 3 in hundreds place. Its value becomes 300. Again we got 100 by adding up the ones and tens. So we are adding that 100 here as well. Now 400 plus 300 plus 100 becomes what? 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Yes children? So the total answer for 421 plus 379 is 800. How did we do this? We did this by regrouping the numbers. We grouped the number into ones, tens, hundreds, and then found out the sum of both the numbers. Clear children? Okay. Now let us learn about some facts about addition. Addition of two or more numbers starts from left or ones. Okay. When we have three or more numbers, like this, here we are having three numbers, right children? What are they saying here is normally we start adding from the right, that is one's side. But what they are saying here is we can start adding from the left as well. When we have two or more, that is we are having three numbers here. So when we are having two or more numbers, we can either addition can be done either from the left or from the ones. Children, however you are convenient, you can start adding the numbers. The next fact is the sum of more than two numbers is independent of the order in which the numbers are arranged. What are they saying here? The sum. So again, sum means what? Sum means addition of two or more than two numbers, like 45 plus 46 plus 47. Okay, is independent of the order in which the numbers are arranged. See, now here 45 and 46 and 47, this is the order we have taken, right? What will the answer of this be? 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 becomes 18 here. 1 is carried. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. 138 is the answer here. If the order is changed, if I write 46 in the first place, or if I write 47 in the first place, no matter how I write the numbers, the answer will always be 138 only. Okay, children? This is what here saying. They are saying, no, independent of the order, no matter what the order of the numbers is, the answer, that is the sum, will always be the same. When 0 is added to any number or a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. Like for example, if you have 0 chocolates, okay, if you have 0 chocolates and then I give you how many? Let us say 5 chocolates, okay. You had 0. 0 means nothing. Yes, children, 0 means nothing. You had no chocolates and then I gave you 5 chocolates. Now how many chocolates will you be having? Think. Yes, 5 chocolates. So what did we observe here? When we added 0 to the number 5, we got the same number. Right? Whenever we add any number to 0 or 0 is added to a number, the answer will always be the number only. Even if I had 0 plus 100 here, the answer will be 100 only. Okay? Or 0 plus 1000 also, the answer will be 1000 only. So whenever we add 0 to any number, the answer will be the number itself. It is easy, right? Yes. Carry is added to the next addition of digits. What are they saying? Carry is added to the next addition of digits. This carry forward of numbers, carrying of numbers while addition, I'll explain you in the coming slides. Okay, children? Okay. Moving on. The sum of the numbers does not change on the groups of addends. Again, whatever may be the group, the sum will never change. It means the addition, the answer, the final answer we get on addition will always be the same. The addition of two different or unlike terms is not possible. If I ask you to add 4 apples, if I say one basket has 4 apples and then another basket has 4 oranges, and if I ask you to find out the sum means addition. Okay, children? 4 apples and 4 oranges. The sum of 4 apples and 4 oranges cannot be found. You cannot say, okay, 4 plus 4 becomes 8, okay. But what are these 8? Are these apples or oranges? Right, we cannot add these both two terms. Why? Because these are unlike or different terms. The 4 we had were apples and the other 4 are oranges. We cannot add apples and oranges together. Yes, children? So the addition of two different or unlike terms is not possible. These were what? These were the facts about addition.